Welcome to the Tenney School. We're glad you're here and are excited to show you how our unique educational approach can benefit your child. At Tenney, we offer personalized one-to-one instruction, a diverse range of electives, and a strong focus on preparing students for college and beyond. Our school day is structured into 3 distinct parts, each designed to enhance the learning experience. First, a third of our school day is dedicated to one-to-one instruction. This personalized approach sets us apart, allowing students to engage deeply with subjects like English, science, history, and math. Each course is tailored to meet individual needs, ensuring that students not only meet Texas state standards, but also have the opportunity to excel through honors and advanced placement courses certified by the College Board. For our international students, we provide specialized English language learner coursework to support their language development. This one-to-one instruction is really the secret sauce to our success. Don't just take our word for it. Click on the linked videos to hear directly from some recent students on how our format impacted their academic success. The second part of the day focuses on classroom instruction. In addition to core classes, students typically select 3 elective courses that pique their interest. Though we are a small school, we are proud of the quality and diversity of elective courses available to our students. Just to name a few, from art to music to PE to foreign language to programming and gaming, we have elective courses suited to the interests of all students. We also incorporate lab sessions for core subjects, where students collaborate in a group setting to explore content more interactively. This would include hands-on science lab, to literary discussion in English lab, and more. This combination of labs and elective constitutes another third of the school day, promoting both teamwork and academic growth. Finally, the last third of the day is spent in homeroom. For this time, it functions as a study hall, allowing students to complete their homework, enhance their organizational skills, and manage daily activities like attendance and lunch. Homeroom helps students manage their time effectively, become more independent learners, and reduce the stress of school on parents. By utilizing homeroom effectively, students can finish most of their assignments during the school hours, freeing up their afternoons for family time and extracurricular activities. As a very small school, we may not have the breadth of extracurricular options of larger schools, but we do offer a variety of after-school clubs to nurture well-rounded individuals. Clubs are formed based on student interests each year, but in years past, our clubs have included gaming club, art club, chess club, and sports club, to name a few. These clubs not only provide a fun and relaxing environment after classes, but also help students build important social skills and discover new passions. In addition to our in-person offerings, we proudly operate Tenney School Live, our online educational platform. This program utilizes the same dedicated staff and curriculum, ensuring that our students all receive a consistent and high-quality educational experience. During your visit, you may see our staff engaging with online students, further demonstrating our commitment to comprehensive education. We also provide one-to-one tutoring after school for both Tenney students and those from other schools, reinforcing our dedication to student success. We hope this overview has given you a clear understanding of our program. If you're interested in learning more, we invite you to schedule a private tour of the Tenney School. This is a great opportunity to see firsthand how our approach can be a perfect fit for your student. We look forward to welcoming you.